Hello there. Welcome to MindSmith.
Challenge yourself with the following 30 questions. You can pause the video if you need more time. Let's go.
Which is the tallest mountain in the world? A. Mount Everest. What is the largest desert on Earth? B. Sahara. Who was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize? B. Marie Curie. What is the smallest country in the world? C. Vatican City. Which planet is closest to the Sun? A. Mercury. In which city were the 2008 Summer Olympics held? A. Beijing. What is the hardest rock on Earth? A. Diamond. Which gas do humans exhale when breathing out? C. Carbon dioxide. Who was the first president of the United States? A. George Washington. What is the currency of Japan? B. Yen. How many bones are there in the adult human body? A. 206. Which animal is known as the ship of the desert? C. Camel. Who wrote the famous novel 1984? A. George Orwell. What is the capital of Australia? C. Canberra. What is the chemical symbol for gold? A. AU.
Great job! You are halfway through.
Which is the largest island in the world? B. Greenland. Who painted the ceiling of the Sistine Chapel? B. Michelangelo. Which planet has the most moons? C. Saturn. What is the national sport of Canada? C. Ice hockey. Which is the longest wall in the world? B. Great Wall of China. What is the largest ocean animal after the blue whale? A. Whale shark. Which country is famous for the tango dance? A. Argentina. What is the fastest aquatic animal? B. Sailfish. Who invented the telephone? A. Alexander G. Bell. Which is the national fruit of India? C. Mango. What is the capital city of Canada? B. Ottawa. Which organ purifies blood in the human body? A. Kidney. In which country would you find Machu Picchu? B. Peru. What is the largest mammal that can fly? C. Bat. Which element is essential for breathing? D. Oxygen.
Congratulations, MindSmith. See you in our next video.